Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everything smaller on Windows 11. So as you can see, now all apps are bigger and provide two different way. In the first way, press on your mouse left side and you get view option, showing it to three different way: large icon, medium icon and smaller icon. When I'm select to medium, now it's select to medium and select to smaller icon. Okay, now small this icon. Okay, and then another, press on to start menu and go to your settings, open your settings, system and display, showing it to make sure to 100%. Now it's smaller. And the third step, if you want to increase or decrease your app's size, just press on your keyboard Ctrl Alt and space button and drag your mouse holder. So that's it.